do with my life?
Farming, feeding people, that's not usual.
I didn't say that.
Our family's been farming for 5 generations.
Your family, not mine. I don't even know why I'm listening to you. You're not my dad. You're just some guy who found me in a field.
Clark!
Hold on.
Go for the overpass!
Hey, still in the car! Let's go! Get in the car!
I'll get him, I'll get him.
No. Get your mom to the overpass.
Все твои обещания.